Now we shall quickly revise what we have learned in our previous class related to the Strilinga Shabda Parichayaha or Strilinga Shabdas, and let us then continue to today's class. Please read out the Strilinga Shabdas in all the three vachanas. Okay, if it is Durga, you'll have to tell Durga, Durge, Durgaha in this. Okay, Sita, Site, Sita in that way. Okay, start.
Durga, Durge, Durgaha. Veena, Veene, Veenaha. Mapika, Mapike, Mapikaha. Kunchika, Kunchike, Kunchikaha. Nauka, Nauke, Naukaha. Yavanika, Yavanike, Yavanikaha. Tula, Tule, Tulaha. Apaga, Apage, Apagaha. Nasika, Nasike, Nasikaha. Petika, Petike, Petikaha. Utpitika, Utpitike, Utpitikaha.
Here, Thakara is Mahaprana. Utpithika, Utpithike, Utpithikaha. Next one.
Shatika, Shatike, Shatikaha.
Dhanyavadaha. Well recited. Okay, we shall now continue. So we have seen this table in our previous class. This is just a reminder and quickly to see you have understood and we can revise on the questions that we have seen. Frame the sentences. I will I will tell the first one as an example. You will have to tell for the second one. Sa ka sa balika, te ke te balike, taha kaha taha balikaha. Sa kidrishi balika, sa krisha balika, te kidrishyau balike, te krishe balike, taha kidrishyah balikaha, taha krishaha balikaha. In the same way, you will have to tell the 6 sentences using Esha Shabda.
Okay. एषा का एषा गजा एते के एते गजे एताः काः एताः गजाः एषा कीदृशी गजा एषा पीवरी गजा एते कीदृश्यौ गजे एते पीवर्यौ गजे एताः कीदृश्यः गजाः एताः पीवर्यः गजाः.
Uttamam, can you also tell the fourth sentence? I mean, for the fourth line, ghati, sa ghati, you can use.
सा का सा घटी ते के ते घट्यौ ताः काः ताः घट्यः सा कीदृशी घटी सा सुन्दरी घटी एते कीदृश्यौ घट्यौ एते सुन्दर्यौ घट्यौ एताः कीदृश्यः घट्यः एताः सुन्दर्यः घट्यः.
Astu, dhanyavadaha, well recited. Okay, so in this way, I request you to make this table and add on more number of words and do this practice, oral practice of asking the question and answering it out in the same order. So you can also do this way. Esha ka esha nadi, or say sa nadi, sa kidrishi nadi, sa dirgha nadi, te ke te nadyau, te kidrishyau nadyau, te dirghe nadyau. And this way also you can tell based on with respect to the numbers, with respect to ekavachanam first, next dvivachanam, and next bahuvachanam for both ka and then kidrishi, etc. That way also you can follow, or you can tell all in all vachanas first for ka ke kaha and then kidrishi kidrishyau kidrishyah. This way is also possible. So this will help us to remember the forms correctly and ask, and while when we are speaking we will not make much mistakes. So please do this practice diligently. This is very important. Hence, I've given you this format of table where you can have all these words together and you can start framing the sentences based on it. Okay. So in the last class, I had given the homework to complete the exercises. So we shall quickly go through the exercise and then continue. So hope you have done this homework in your notebooks. Esha ka.
Sir. Esha Balika.
So that's right. Esha Balika or Esha. You can use any other Strilinga Shabda. Esha, Gaja, Esha, Ghati, Esha, Nadi, anything. Any Strilinga Shabda is fine. Okay. Next. Second question. Ete ke.
Ete ke gaje.
Ete gaje. Okay. Ete nauke. Okay. Next. Taha kaha.
Taha gajaha.
Taha gajaha. Taha shilaha. Or taha balikaha. Taha adhyapikaha. Any of these are fine. Okay. Next. Te ke.
ते घटयोः
Te. Come again.
ते घटियोः
How it will be? Ghati, Ghatyau, Ghatyaha. Right? So te Ghatyau.
त्याः
Te Ghatyau. Te will be Dvivachanam. Sa te taha. So
Yeah.
ka ke kaha is Dvivachanam and hence it will be te Ghatyau. Okay, that is correct. Or we can use any other one. Te petike, etc. Okay, next. Sa ka.
सा अध्यापिका
Sa adhyapika, sa durga, etc. Etaha kaha.
एताः शाटिकाः
Very good. Etaha shatikaha, etaha veena. Next. Esha kidrishi mala.
एषा कृशामाला
Esha krisha mala or Esha dirgha mala, a long garland. Okay. Next. Ete kidrishyau mahile.
एते पीवर्यौ महिले
Very good. Ete pivaryau mahile. Ete chature mahile. Anything is fine. So it should be in Dvivachanam. That is right. Pivari, pivaryau, pivaryaha. Very good. Next. Etaha kidrishyaha adhyapikaha.
एताः चतुराः अध्यापिकाः
Very good. Etaha chaturaha adhyapikaha. Etaha uttamaha adhyapikaha. Very good. Dhanyavadaha. We will go to the next main. Taha,
ताः महिलाः
taha mahilaha, taha shakhaha. Dash male.
ते माले
Very good. Te male. Etaha dash.
एताः गजाः
Etaha gajaha. Etaha mahilaha. Right. Ta dash balika.
सा सुन्दरी बालिका
Very good. Sa sundari balika, unnata balika. Right. Ete vakre.
एते वक्रे महिले
May not sound correct. So vakre is basically curved or crooked or something like that. So yeah, I mean, so you can use that word, but what would
वक्रे
be
माले
vakre male or a better ways either shaki or nadyau or rekhe. Okay. Okay.
महोदय
So according to the adjective, we'll also have to pick up the right word so that it makes a good. Okay. Etaha dash nadyaha.
एताः उन्नतः नद्यः
Unnataha means tall or height.
Oh.
But
त्रिश
yeah.
ब्राड् बृहतः नद्यः
Vishalaha.
विघातः
Vishalaha.
विशालाः नद्यः
Yes, Vishalaha
Dhanya.
Nadyah. Or Dirghaha Nadyah. Long.
दीर्घाः नद्यः
Right. Okay. Dhanyavadaha. Well answered.
धन्यवादः
Astu. So we'll go to the next main. Please tell the Bahuvachana forms or the plural forms. Mahila.
महिला महिलाः
Right.
नासिका नासिकाः शाखा शाखाः शिला शिलाः
Very good. Dhanyawadaha. Okay, we'll go to the next main.
ताः शिलाः
Taha shilaha. Okay, I have used taha shakhaha. It's
okay.
that is also a valid answer. Yeah, next one.
एषा महिला
Okay,
एताः शाखाः
okay.
सा बाला
Sa bala. Okay. So here there are two possibilities. So Esha bala and sa mahila also can be correct. So only thing is you'll have to match the correct vachanas with respect to the Sarvanama Shabda and the Namapada.
Correct.
Okay. Otherwise it you will answer. Dhanyawadaha.
धन्यवाद धन्यवाद
Okay. We should go to the next means. Prashnavakyani likhata. So frame the questions for these. Sa chatura balika. Yeah.
सा कीदृशा बालिका
Kidrishi. Sa kidrishi balika.
सा कीदृशी बालिका
Right. There is no word kidrisha is not there. So it is always kidrishi, kidrishyau, kidrishyaha only. Okay. Next. Etaha nirmalaha nadyaha. What would be the question?
एताः एताः कीदृश्याः
Kidrishyaha.
कीदृश्याः नद्यः
Nadyaha. Kidrishyaha nadyaha. Okay. Next. Esha dirgha nasika.
एषा कीदृशी नासिका
That's right. Esha kidrishi nasika. Okay. Etaha taha sthulaha shakhaha.
ताः ताः कीदृश्यः शाखाः
That's right. Kidrishyaha shakhaha. That's right. Dhanyawadaha. So
धन्यवाद
practice these well. Okay. So it will be helpful. Next. Okay. So we'll have to correct the errors. Eshaha kidrishi nasika. Yeah. What would be the right question?
एषा कीदृशी नासिका
That's right. Esha kidrishi nasika. Saha chatura balika.
साः चतुराः बालिकाः
Sa chatura balika is sufficient. It's in ekavachanam only. Saha, instead of saha, we'll have to have sa. Okay. Next. Taha kathinaha shile.
शिलाः ताः कठिनाः शिलाः
That is right. Taha kathinaha shilaha. Okay. That is the one we'll have to write. So ensure that all the words are in the same same vachana. So that is the main exercise. We will have to identify kidrishi, kidrishyau, kidrishyaha, esha, ete, etaha, sa, te, taha, balika, balike, balikaha. Okay. Yeah. We should go to the next main.
पाटिका पाटिके पाटिकाः
Is it
Mala.
patika? Once again, it is the first word is petika, not patika. Petika as means a box. Okay. Petika, petike, petikaha. Right. Next.
माला माले मालाः
Okay. Continue.
भार्या भार्यौ भार्यः
Tell again.
भार्या भार्ये भार्याः
Right.
लता लते लताः
Okay.
चतुरा चतुरे चतुराः
Uttamam. Dhanyawadaha. Well answered. Okay. So these were the exercise questions for Strilinga Shabda Parichayaha. Hope you had already done. And if not, at least based on this model answers, I request you to write it in your notebooks. Please do the exercises and homeworks diligently.